I know that we're a last minute industry. I understand wholeheartedly that we're a last minute industry. I had no less than 15 people contact me that are both mutual friends between Vince and I. And I know for sure that they were contacting both of us going, hey, can you get the tickets? Hey, can you get the tickets? Hey, can you get the tickets? No, the tickets closed down several days ago because they were sold out. So if you wait to the last minute on these events, you're going to miss out on these events, and you also make it very hard for the event throwers to gauge, like on Mend the Fracture graffiti. We have hotel blocks where we have hotels set out for people. If everybody is waiting till that last minute before you come to get the education, you're probably going to miss out on the education. And as you can look at this full room tonight, there's a room full of people in here trying to get what? Education, right? That's what we want. We want networking, we want education, we want to get better at our profession. Help the event makers out, the ones that are doing this, the ones, and often I hear that this is a money-making event. You heard Vince talk about it earlier. If you're trying to make money throwing the events, you better go back to public adjusting or contractor or